Now we are talking about sections of the course. First, we have QGIS installation. And second, we have QGIS Interface, projects, and basic navigations. And the third, we have managing geospatial data. Fourth, we do georeferencing raster data. And fifth, we do digitizing vector data. And the last is designing layout. Okay, this is the first section of our course. There is QGIS installation, how to download, how to perform installation, and we launch it. Okay, now we are going to explore the second sections of our course. Only the big picture there. First, we have create favorites for shortcuts. And the second, we load shapefile and save the project. And the third, we will add and remove toolbars. The fourth, we have change CRS or coordinate reference system and change coordinate format. And next, we have differences between QGIS and QGZ file format. QGIS and QGZ is a project file for QGIS software. And the last, we have map navigations to zoom, pan, scroll, attribute table, and identify. Now take a look at our section 3. We have display XYZ tile base map, OpenStreetMap, Google Satellite, Google Street, and next we have convert spatial data into other format. And next we have shapefile and GeoJSON file structure. These two formats are very popular in GIS world. And next we have thematic map, symbology and labeling, layer with polygon feature. Next, we have the same thematic map, but for polyline here. And next, we have thematic symbology for point. Then we have data filter and selection. And the last is analyzing and import data raster, which is Qt format. Now take a look our section 4. We have preparing the georeference data first. And second, we have georeferencing raster with decimal degree. And next, we have georeferencing raster data degree minute second. And the last is georeferencing raster data no coordinate information. Now let's explore our section 5. Here we have export XYZ data is of one raster. And we will create a new polygon feature. And we create a new polyline feature. And next, we have create new port feature, new point feature, sorry. And the last, we will see add and remove fields. Now, take a look at our last sections. Section number 6. We have insert layout objects. And next, we have insert grid and calculation. And the last but not the least is export to JPEG and PDF.